Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy F15 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of original USB cable. So here I have USB Type A to Type C cable of Samsung. Now connect it to your laptop and PC. I'm going to connect it to my laptop. So as you can see, it is successfully connected. Okay, now after it, what you have to do it, now you have to power it off. Okay, to power it off, press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Just press and hold it. And now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together. And release. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, so now here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Here you can see. Okay, now go to factory data reset. Now after it, go to factory data reset. Simply go to factory data reset and confirm. And here you can see. So now here you can see over there, you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F15 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.